Good. Reason I stopped you, don't have a seatbelt on, and you're doing 50 on Providence. Do you have your ID with you?
Back at.
I have my seatbelt on.
Where's it at? Behind you? It's not worn properly.
I know you didn't, Binary. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Foos Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video. How my people doing today? I said, how are you guys doing today? You feel me? We about to tap into a video I got sent, man. Listen, we gonna get these things rolling, man. No time for the game. We ain't gonna BS, okay? When my mom refuses to accept, hold. When mom refuses to accept her speeding ticket. Ain't that what that grandma did the other day? She didn't want to sign that $80 traffic ticket and got taser. Doesn't make any sense. Take the ticket. Go fight it. Don't fight it getting it. Goofy. I'm going to be bringing my meeperies down, okay? Let's get them. I'll check on my meeperies too. How you guys doing today, man? We got to check in. Tap down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know where you are at as far as your meeperies go, okay? How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most important, spiritually? Tap down in the comment section, because you guys already know when we tap into these videos, these people meeperies are all the way low. Okay, so we don't want to be on their level. 5 and above is where we need to be every day. When we wake up in the morning, we're on 10 regardless, because we got to open our eyes. Okay, a lot of people didn't. So you started at 10. Where you go from there is up to you. Don't let nobody kill your vibery or your meepery. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. We're bringing the energy, baby. We're bringing the positive vibes. We own that. Tap down in the comment section. You know how we get down, get this video to 1,000 likes, 36,000 views. That is the motto. That is the mantra. Come in, like the video. Giveaway going down on the 21st. You know how we roll. You know how Ice Cube say. You know how we do it. Let's see how they do it.
On May 29, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for going 50 in a 35.
Dumb.
That's it, girl.
You do go home?
Hey, how's it going? Good. Reason I stopped you, don't have a seatbelt on, and you're doing 50 on Providence. Do you have your ID with you?
Back at.
I have my seatbelt on.
Where's it at? Behind you? It's not worn properly.
I know you didn't, Binary. What you doing? Somebody say something. Like, I'm confused.
Ma'am, can you get out of the car for us?
No, you need to do it now. Okay?
Get out of the car. Come on.
Stop! Hold on! Are you serious? No, I'm not even doing anything.
Okay,
Are you
get
for
out of
real?
the car.
No!
Okay.
No, stop! What are you doing? I'm not even doing
Did
nothing!
you see something?
Are you for real?
Are you
Like,
getting out of the
stop.
car?
No! Like, why are you yanking me out? I'm about to
Come out of the car.
What that mean?
On. Stop!
Come on.
Stop! Are you for real? Stop!
Stop.
Mom!
She honking for her mama?
Stop!
Listen. Listen to me. Stop.
Stop!
In front of-
No,
stop.
Why are you saying
Stop doing this in front of your kid. Stop.
She got
Stop.
a kid back there?
Better watch my
Stop!
back.
No! Stop!
Hey.
Stop. Just
Stop.
get out of
Why
the
are you
car.
telling me to
Get
get
out
out
of
the
the
car?
tell me to get out of the car. That's it. Get
Are
out
you
of the
for
car.
real?
Oh, that's-
Stop!
Come on.
That's a wrong signal, sir.
Stop! Stop!
Come on.
Stop! Just get in the damn car!
Relax.
Oh my gosh!
Relax.
Mom, get my money. Why are you?
Here.
Can you get the
No, why are they telling me to get out the car? They're not telling me why you telling me to get out the car. Just
chill?
Get off of me, Mary.
Don't be kicking nobody.
Chill out. Get off of me. Chill out. The hell? Chill out. Why are they telling me that?
We're gonna find that. Okay, we're gonna find this out. We're gonna find
Can you
this
get the
out.
money before?
Just chill. Just chill.
You still not telling me why you.
Mama got common sensory. Pulled up in front of the house. Usually, you know, people come out there acting a foolery and they say they people getting pulled out of a car or a traffic stop. Mom got common sensory. Chill. We're gonna find out. But this ain't the way. You about to make it all the way worse. So shout out to the moms for that.
I am. All right, come here.
my shoes on. My feet are hot.
Okay, where?
No, let me get my shoes.
Okay.
Let me get my shoes out. Why should I get my shoes?
Notch, I got you. Just chill the out.
That's him. That's him.
Ah, him is you.
Over here. Stop pulling. Listen to me. Stop.
Hey, buddy.
Do something.
You're being weird.
Her son just following her.
Get off
Hey, I'm sorry, buddy. You okay? Let me fix your cuffs for you.
Get him off of me.
Let me fix your cuffs. Sam. I'm trying to help you.
Get him off of me.
Listen, he has to. It's our policy. We have to keep a hand on you.
Let's find out what the
Listen.
out.
So I didn't have my damn seatbelt on, and then I'm going 50. I'm going 50 when somebody's about to turn.
Pulled out on Providence, 50 and 35.
Put off of where? Put on the profit off where?
We were right behind you at O'Reilly's.
Where, baby? Okay.
O'Reilly's.
Is this your fault?
No, that's fine. I really was trying to avoid all of this.
So you asked me for ID, and I was trying to call my mom. Then he comes over and says, "Get out the car." For what?
That's fine, but
For what though? You're not answering my question.
Because it
For
smells
what?
like weed in the car.
For what?
Do you have any weed in the car?
For what? But I'm asking you.
Because it smells like weed.
That's how you did
Okay, then that's fine.
That's all you had to say,
We
though.
wanna
You
let
didn't
you
say
go.
that.
We wanna
You
let
didn't
you
say that. You said,
go.
"Get out the car." I asked you what you asked me to get out the car for, and I said, "Wait, let me call my mom." You come out, no.
Lady, you got pulled up. Listen, at first I'm like, I don't know, they pulling you out the car. But now it kind of makes sense. They come up to the door, ask you a question, and tell you the seatbelt. You looking back like, you didn't have it on properly. And you big goofball, when you saw him behind you, you pull it in front of your house, you might have wanted to pull it in front of you and be like, I had it on the whole time. It still was behind you. The only part you had on was the lap part. Improper, okay? Like, what are we talking about? Your mom know you acting a fool. You know you acting a fool. He came to your window, told you why you got pulled over. You said, hold on, let me call my mama. You're in front of the house. You're grown, baby. You got a whole child, autistic. So your focus really needs to be there. You get on your screen and start tapping like you on Google on your radio. Just ignoring everybody. No nonsense. They had enough. They knew you was probably going to go with it. Smell weed on top of it, pull you out. Shout out to the moms, though. Like, she didn't act a fool. She probably know her daughter on this type of time all the time, okay?
I'm at home.
Okay.
The hell? I'm at home.
Okay.
You don't know that.
Right.
He does not know that. You don't know you live here. Jesus. Oh, just be
It's a
quiet.
whole bunch of nonsense for nothing.
Floyd tag, Bravo Hotel 00, Mike November on a incident.
It's in the middle. Okay. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll find it. But we're just gonna grab that out of here. And, like you said, it didn't have to be like that. Huh?
Why do you have to take it?
Because it's illegal.
When we tell you something you have to do, okay, we do it for a reason. We don't show everything that we're doing right off the bat, and we'll talk to them.
But that's how you get confrontational people.
Listen to me.
I'm listening, but I'm telling you, all you did was come from the other side of these seats. You came around talking about get out the car. Why am I get out the car? He literally just told me to get my ID, and I said, hold on, give me a second. I'm about to call my mom. I said, hold on. No, he said, show me your ID. I said, give me a second. I'm about to call my mom so she come down here. Then you come over here on this side and say, get out the car.
Just show the ID instead of call your mama.
I just told him about to call my mom. Did you drive my arm and try to yank me out? Did you not?
So she had her seatbelt just like this, and she claimed that it was on and was arguing with me as it's clearly not. And she was doing 50 right here on Providence, and then we tried to pull her over a street or two back, and she drove all the way home, which you can't do either. We're not going to charge her with the fleeing and eluding, but you know, essentially she dictated that whole thing. I hate doing it in front of kids and stuff like that.
So basically, she got yanked out of the car because they tried to do a traffic stop 2 blocks away, and she just kept going and said, I'm going home. That's why she got yanked out the car.
Well, we're going to search the whole house, okay?
Shut the bag, knock out everything if you got to.
Listen, you legitimately would have been let go with at most a ticket.
I tried to give you my ID, but you wouldn't let me get a chance.
No,
I
you
said I'm trying to
didn't.
call my mom
Ma'am.
to come down here. I have
No,
my
you
child who's
didn't.
autistic.
Listen to me.
He's first. I understand what you guys were saying, that he was first. I was telling
Did
my
you
mom to
explain
come
to me
down
that?
here.
No.
How? You wouldn't let me. How?
Listen to me.
How? How was I going to? You wouldn't let
Look at
me.
me.
You kept saying
Hey,
ID.
I'm
Not
looking
even.
at
He
you when I'm
kept saying,
talking to you. So look at me, okay?
come on.
Listen, you could have
give me a
said-
chance to get out the car. No. How are you
Yes,
going
I
to give me a
did.
chance to
Denied
explain
it.
that I need to call my mom?
Now, you
Hell.
listen to me. Say, get out the car.
Soon as he
And
just
you
asked me
said
for my
no
ID,
in a
what you're
second.
not getting.
No, it was at least a minute.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, she got the bullets in the pack.
I'm gonna walk over this one. Quick. Come on.
Son going everywhere she go. She did
To the
this.
jail cell. No,
Why am I going to jail?
Huh?
Why am I going to
For
jail?
resisting and private possession of marijuana.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
What's up, little man?
God, Mom.
Can you come get my?
You guys go back over there in the driveway, man.
Gotta go over there with Grandma, okay?
All right. We're gonna walk this way.
Mom, come here, please.
Hey, she'll come over here in a second, okay?
You're not gonna give
We'll let her come over here. Come over here. That's in the car.
I need to talk to my mom first.
Okay. Well, this is not how this works. Have a seat. You can talk
Can I talk to my mom?
after you sit down.
God, y'all keep saying that you'll let me do something when I ask you,
We
you
will.
don't.
Have a seat, then you can talk
You
to her.
respond to her. No, I can't go to work today.
Have a seat.
Does she carry a gun that you know of? No? Okay. Do you drive this car over?
No.
No? Okay. There was bullets in there, that's why I'm asking.
Charged with resistance, without violence, and possession of cannabis under 20 grams.
female transporting for the no.
Cool. Yeah, she did it to herself. Shout out to her mom for not acting foolish, especially being at home. You're gonna be like, this is my property. You know how some people be like, this is my property. Get off my property. You know how some people get down. Mom handled it right. Daughter was all the way wrong with it with an autistic child. She decided to flee from a traffic stop, basically, because they tried to stop her. She knows it. She had her son, and everything was based off, I need to talk to my mama. She's saying they didn't give her opportunity to get her license. They did. But she said, let me talk to my mama first. Why do you got to have your mama give the license? Going to jail. Let me talk to my mama. What is she You're going, ma'am. Like, what are you going to tell your mama? How to take care of your child? What she probably already know how to do better than you anyway? Come on, man. Blue bonnet, blue blonnet, blue blonnet. You know what I'm saying? The bonnery. And shout out to the people that wear the bonnets at home, man. We just gonna clown around. I'm gonna tell you something. My damn son wears a bonnet sometimes. With him and his girlfriend wear a bonnet. It's crazy. It's different times. It's different times. You know what I'm saying? He get his hair done. He throw the do-rag on with the silk bonnery because he don't want to get messed up. He don't think I was gonna tell somebody, sir, you wearing a bonnet? It's my son. Anybody can get it, maybe even you. Okay, that's all I'm saying. So when we clown, we clown. But her mugshot is not gonna look so righteous when that bonnet come on. Ooh wee, baby, we talk about mugshots. And for the last 3 or 4 videos, the mugshots. Wish you could have saw that. Drop down in the comment section. Who acts like this? This lady clearly had a son look like he was about 7 years old. What are you doing, mother? Asking for your mother. Get this shit together, man. We'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Fushka. I'm out the